Coming from another great truck parking club location. This is Blountsville, Tennessee, just outside of Bristol. This is a gated, lighted, it is 8:30 at night. Gated. There's a gate there to come in, and there's a gate down there to get out. This is $20 a night, $99 a week, $200 for the month. This location is 7.9 miles to the Bristol Motor Speedway, which they are racing this weekend for the night race. The truck race is going on right now. But use Rouse 24, and I'll have it down here below to save you $20. This is $20 a night. It is gated. It is on I-81, Tennessee, exit 66. You turn west to go on 126 to the first light. At the first light, after you turn west, you turn left at the light, and there is a McDonald's right there, and you follow it to the end into this truck parking club. All right, as you can see, it's bright lighted at night. It has got a keypad to get in. So let me get the gate code. Gate opens, and we're supposed to park over here. McDonald's. You turn at the light at the McDonald's and run that all the way to the end to this gate right there. You punch in the code they give you. Make sure you hit the star and the pound in the code to open the gate to come in. Truck Parking Club has 16 parking spots. Spot 4 all the way up to spot 20. 16 spots, $20 a night. Like I said, if you need a place to go to park for the race, this is a great place. 8 miles. You can't beat it. This is Blountsville, Virginia. Use code ROUSE24. Let me show you how easy it is to get into this location. Like I said, exit 66 on I-81, Tennessee. Use ROUSE24 to save you $20. Nice, quiet location. It is nice and bright. It is gated, fenced, and I bet you there's security cameras. But 8:30 at night, it's dark. But look how bright it is here. The spots are plainly marked. Like I said, we have spots 4 to 20. So there's 16 spots for Truck Parking Club. And I'm pretty sure if more people use it, we'll probably get more spots. This is a nice, big location. At 8:30 at night, it's dark. September 11th, 2025. Nice and quiet. Check them out, Rouse 24. They'll save you $20 on your first visit. I'm the only one here.